Let me ask you one question. Have you been learning English for 1 year, maybe 2 year, maybe even 5 years? You know grammars, you know thousands of English words, vocabulary, and you also watch English videos almost every day for learning English, for English speeches. But still, when someone suddenly says, "Can you speak English?" you freeze. You just thinking. You started thinking, and what you reply, you just thinking. Why? How is it possible that after spending years learning English you still cannot speak it confidently? Today I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake that almost every English learners makes, and once you understand this mistake, your English learning journey will completely change. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Imagine this: a person watches cooking videos every single day. Okay, he knows every recipe, he know ingredients, every cooking trick, but he has never entered the kitchen. Now tell me one thing. Can he remember one thing? He has never entered the kitchen. Can he become a great chef? Obviously not. Then why do we expect to become fluent in English without actually speaking it? This is exactly what millions of learners are doing. They are collecting knowledge, they are learning vocabulary, they are learning sentences, they are reading sentences, they are reading English books, they are watching English videos, not building skill. And knowledge alone never creates fluency. And friend, the biggest lie we were taught is this: learn grammar first and speak later. So everyone says first learn grammar. Sounds logical, but it doesn't work. Think about your first language. Did your parents teach you grammar as like first language Hindi before you started speaking? No. First you learn grammar, then you started speaking English? No. You spoke first. Grammar came much later. Children becomes fluent before they even know what a noun or verb is, because language is learned through communication, not memorization. You memorize and then you speak. No, it's not. It's possible, but you have to do lots of. So here's something interesting. Your brain has two different memory system. One stores information and the other builds skill. So you have also know you that one stores information. When you read grammar, your brain stores information. When you speak, your brain builds skill. Think about reading a bicycle. Can you learn cycling by reading a book? No. Your muscles must practice. First you do practice. And speaking English is exactly the same. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue twister you have to speak, and your ears need practice. You have to listening capability, listening skill. Your brain needs speaking practice. I'm gonna tell you the 80 by 20 rule. The most learners spend 80% of their time to reading and only 20% is speaking. Do the possible. Spend 20% learning and 80% is speaking. Talk to yourself, record your voice, and shadow native speakers to describe everything around you. The more you speak, the faster your brain adopts. So, my dear friends, your challenge is: I want to challenge you for the next 7 days. Don't learn a single grammar rule. Instead, speak English for 15 minutes every day. Just every day and 15 minutes. No matter how many mistakes you make at the end of 7 days, tell me in the comments how you feel. I promise you will notice more confident than you expected. So remember one thing: English is not a school subject, it is a life skill. So start preparing for your start speaking today, because confidence never comes before speaking. So confidence comes from speaking.